Hi everyone, welcome to Eating Secret. Today we're making yet another Christmas soap. So I'm just adding my lye solution into the oil as usual. And the fragrance we're using isn't beyond the smell of karma. So I bought the KISMET karma from GRACEFRUIT and I've added patchouli into it to make it a bit more earthy, but it's a great smell for Christmas because it's got pine in there, it's got elemi, it's got lavender, pine tree, cassis, fir, resin, cinnamon, all sorts. So it's a great fragrance for a Christmas soap. So I'm separating off 400 mils for two colours, and I'm going to go again with the red and the green. Okay, so in this jug here I've got some titanium dioxide and some turquoise delight. Now I don't think the turquoise delight is mixed in very well, so we'll see what it looks like when we blend it up. That's actually the exact colour I want it. So you can see the colours the soap's going to be. We're going to have the turquoise background, with the red and the green swirl, something I haven't done before. Is anybody watching The Handmaid's Tale? It's so good. And then also The Crown's on, so I'm just undecided as what to watch when I go to bed, because Handmaid's Tale's on Channel 4 player, and The Crown is on
The Queen.
The Crown is on Netflix, but The Handmaid's Tale, it's just one episode a week, so I think I'm going to save those up until save those up. I can't concentrate when someone comes in the room. Save those up until all the episodes have aired. And then watch them all at once. not all at once in one day, one night after another. I'll just put it on when I go to bed. I put it on, whatever I'm watching. And just watch as many episodes as I can until I fall asleep. And because this soap isn't seizing up as fast as the other one, we're going to get a better swell, I think. We'll see, because as I'm making this, I haven't actually cut the other one yet, because I'm making this one straight after the one that you saw in the last video. I think this is going to be pretty. I'm going to give it a swirl, because if I don't swirl it, it'll be just like drizzles. Oh, I think those colours looks absolutely beautiful. I don't like to swirl too much when I'm doing a swirl. I'm just going to let that set up a little bit, and then we'll pour the next layer onto the top. I'm hoping it does set. It's beautifully fluid at the moment. Okay, time to pour the top layer on now. Actually just love that. The swirls on the bottom are so pretty. Looks gorgeous with those big hollies on there. And the turquoise background just still looks dead Christmassy, doesn't it? So there you go, that's today's sew. And if you haven't seen all the episodes so far in this Christmas series, just have a look in the description box. I'll put a link to the playlist there. Also, if you click the iPad in the top right hand corner, there's a link to the Christmas playlist as well. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I'll have another video coming up for you very soon. Thanks for watching Eid in Secret. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like, share